Cocody, and TensorFlow user group lead. And today I want to show you how use machine learning in on this world, and what is the opportunity machine learning brings us. So we can start.
Can I just say it's not
Okay.
you need to share your screen?
Okay. Let's minute. I share my screen. Yeah. 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 So before I want to thank grateful GDG's Sengami to give me so machine learning and opportunities. So when I'm presenting today, I want to talking with this machine learning. Uh, what I mean by with this machine learning. So I mean by with this machine learning that we live in machine learning era. Mm. ML is topical machine learning. So I want to call is ML machine learning in is topical is everywhere. So I in my suite of presentation I will presentation our machine learning is everywhere. To see a lot conference event community talking about that. Uh, so some summit event talking about machine learning. So what is really machine learning for the people? What is machine learning really? In fact, what the people call artificial intelligence is actually machine learning. So for data scientists, for computer science, and for students in computer science, say that's machine learning. But the other people say that's artificial intelligence. So machine learning is data processing from statistic tools to explore data. Uh, to explore data to solve specific problems at the current time. When we letting machine learning learn with computation rather than giving it. So they are in my screen. I hope you see my screen. You can see artificial intelligence uh, in the around artificial intelligence. After you can in machine learning you have three three kind to learn machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement supervised learning. I will see presentation. You can see every case supervising learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement supervising learning. So now I want to show you how machine learning is everywhere. So uh, in my introduction, I said that machine learning is everywhere. But how? Presently, with machine learning, we can predict cancer. So some computer virus and spam are stopped by machine learning. we can do sentiment analysis with the picture. You can see in my screen the people, the face people are recognized by by computer. In the text, when to post in Twitter or Facebook, you can with machine learning detect your sentiments. If you are angry, you are not satisfied. Okay. In the marketing, you know if customer is satisfied. You can take to improve our project, our products, to to build a good recommendation in entertainment or publicity for customers. You can do financial prediction. You can do financial prediction. You can also submit recommendation to user like on Netflix. So you can see when you see your Netflix, you can see recommendation. So 80% match, 580 percent match also. And research some products on Google. You search the when you search the keywords in the Google Chrome. So machine learning can trying to detect your keywords and to bring you some results about your keywords. Is even machine learning using it today, and it's very very important today to know that machine learning can um detect is very important in medical research, because with machine learning you can detect some disease before you can catch up. So it's very very important to today to take machine learning in medical researches. So you can see in my screen also the car without the driver is important, because you can see the car can move in from point A to go point B without a driver. Is a very important. Why you use machine learning? Uh, it's very important to use machine learning. Uh, every day, human are facing many problems, like to increase business, to eradicate cancer, to solve many disease like coronavirus. Uh, Today, you use AI to detect coronavirus in the person, to find a way to go at work, uh, to learn other languages, also to classify image. So there are many many problems you can resolve with use machine learning. It's very important. You can see in my first problem, kind tip problem. So why you use machine learning? When I start my presentation, I show you the different uh, the different parts of artificial intelligence. So there are machine learning, and deep learning. Today, my topic is machine learning. Machine learning, there are three methods to run: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning, there are two problems. When uh, you are you have a problem to solve by machine learning, it's important to know the data type. The data type. The problem is classification or regression. If your problem is classification, you can use SVN, logistic regression, naive Bayes decision trees. If your problem is order in regression, you can you can use Wright lasso regression, linear regression, polynomial regression. So all that is the function you use to can solve problem in machine learning. Unsupervised learning, you can use clustering or pattern search. So you can see clustering in clustering you can see some function: k-means, dbs scan, agglomerative, mean shift, fuzzy means. In pattern search, you can see eclat, a priori, FPA graph. In reinforcement, uh, in reinforcement learning, you can see generic algorithm, A3C, SASA, Q-learning, deep Q-learning. So when you can back in classification, so in supervised learning is when you have data with labels. Is different to unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, data is without labels. In supervised learning, data have label, and you can use classification. You can use classification when your data is not continuous numbers, right? So it can the data can take uh, uh, two numbers also. So no or yes, zero or one is dependent. I mean, regression, you can take multiple number between 1 and 2. But the data can take one point 19, 1.15, 2.5, etc. So in function your data, you can take the classification or regression. Is the same in unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the data don't take the label, so you can use clustering or pattern search. It depends of the data type. It's the same in reinforcement learning. After I can I can show you our stats with machine learning. So because today machine learning is very important in some domain in the world, is for data scientists, for financial, for medicine, for teachers in education. And our start with ML. So to start with ML, you can have some skills in mathematicals, probability, statistic tools. Is very important to start with ML, because when I start my introduction, I say that machine learning is a statistical tools uh, that you can use it to solve many problems. So if you have a skills in mathematical is very important. But if you have not skills in mathematical, you are beginners, you don't know what is machine learning, you can start with Kaggle. Kaggle is a platform for data scientists to solve. Yeah, Kaggle, yeah, have many data sets, many courses to start in machine learning. You can use Google Developers Code Labs. Google Developer Code Labs have some laboratory to start in machine learning. Uh, you can know you must learn Python. Python is the principal language. Well, for me is the principal language to build the model on in machine learning. With you must learning Python. You must learning Python is very important to start in machine learning. After there are Colab. Colab is a platform from Google to train ML, some ML and model ML model. You can see also the courses in machine learning on TensorFlow. You use Colab to train model, to convert the ML model in TensorFlow Lite, on TensorFlow Lite to deploy it on the mobile. So it's very important. Colab, you must use Colab to train machine learning model. Is very important. Also, you can use Jupyter. Jupyter is a notebook to write Python codes, programming codes in Python is useful to build also model with machine learning model. So after this presentation, I want uh, to invite you to join a community nearest us in Singapore or Abidjan, Ivory Coast, to start your journey in machine learning. If you are very passionate in machine learning, you want to learn machine learning, I join community online, join a community like GGG's, DSC, or um, TensorFlow user group. There are also developer Facebook cycle with a use to also machine learning model. I use a TensorFlow to build some models and to introduce the beginner in the machine learning domains is very important. So near you, and why not to start your journey in machine learning? Also, I have this is the end of my presentation. I hope you are you appreciate my presentation, and if you have any question for me or any question on machine learning, I am. Thank you.
Kuya, you're muted.
Okay, I think there's a question for Arma. This is Julius, by the way, who's kind of coming out in the background. Well, yeah, I think you're muted, but let me read the question for Arma.
My bad, my bad.
No worries, no
Sorry,
worries.
sorry.
Okay, I think there's a question for Arma. This is Julius.
Yeah, so Arma, the question is, you mentioned that on ML being used in entertainment, transportation, media, healthcare, what do you think will be the next frontier to harness ML?
Can you repeat your question? Uh,
I see the question. I see one question. Hi. Uh,
the question is ML being used in entertainment, transportation, what do you think will be the next frontier to harness ML?
um, let me to retrieve my
Okay, I think we have some technical difficulties over here. So, okay, I hope my audio is coming through this time. Apologies about that. Okay, I think let's wait for a bit. I think Amir is restarting his stream.